this is one of my primary rules after 10 or 15 years of lucid dreaming. I realized that even though I could do anything, I could go flying around, I could have all sorts of adventures, if I was going to work on personal integration, personal understanding of my own inner psyche, my main rule should be always go to the area of the most sensed emotion. So when I become lucidly aware, if I see a conflict going on, I presume that that conflict represents something inside of me. So that's where I go. And I go there with my lucid awareness, knowing that I can learn, knowing that I can project love and understanding and compassion and acceptance on the situation, and basically just seeing what's going on. Because not only can I resolve it in the lucid dream state, but it also might be something that I need to bring to the waking state and resolve. It might represent a conflict with a family member or a friend or society at large. So in your lucid dreams, think about that. If the dream state represents our mental and emotional energy projected out from us, and you see conflict in a lucid dream, go to that area of conflict. See what's there. And by doing that, you begin the process of healing and also integrating yourself. When you wake up in the morning, after you've done this many, many times, you'll realize that inside you're changing. These issues no longer hold the energy they once did. You've released the energy for creative and constructive endeavors.